This is Mr. Mark. In this video, I'd like to talk a bit about eBay managed payments, and mainly I'd like to provide you a copy of a spreadsheet that I created to calculate the fees and profits on your sales under this new managed payment system. It will be provided via a link in the description of this video. And before I do that, before I demonstrate the spreadsheet, I need to quickly explain a few things here. For one, the eBay managed payment system has a final value fee which will be a percentage of the total sales. So you have 1% that you're going to pay of your total sales amount, and if you read into this further, it tells you that they're going to use the actual sale including tax. So whatever the buyer pays including tax, that is the total sale where they will take the final value fee from. Okay, this fee for sellers without an eBay store, it's going to be 12.35% for most categories. If you have an eBay store, it will be a bit less. Also, you will be charged a 30 cents transaction fee per order, just as they did with PayPal. So you pay your percentage of the total sale plus you pay 30 cents. All right, here's a quick example. This is when you had PayPal. You had 2.9% for PayPal, and then you had the final value fee for eBay. Now there's just one final value fee, which again is usually 12.35% if you don't have an eBay store. All right, you can scroll down, you can watch this video. It gives you more details on how the fees work and some more details about the fees. One of the other major things is that they're going to take the fee out immediately from your sale. So instead of putting the fees aside for the end of the month and to be put on an invoice, they're going to take it out right away. Now for the main attraction, this spreadsheet. Now the spreadsheet reflects managed payments, right? So I'll start out with the simplest part, which is the supply. You buy a product for, let's say, $50. All right, you sell this same product for, let's say, $90. All right. Then you have the buyer shipping charge. You charge the buyer $5 for shipping, let's say. All right, so that means the buyer, you figure, is paying you $95. However, the buyer also might be charged with tax. Let's say the tax is $5 as well. Well, now, what you're going to do here is actually type in the full payment including the tax. So eBay should give you that information. So let's say it comes to $100 as the total buyer payment with tax. All right. Your fee is then charged on this buyer payment with tax. So they're going to take the 12.35% of this amount. All right. And so then the final value fee will come out to be $12.65, because don't forget they're also adding a 30 cents 0.3 transaction fee, right? So 12.35% of 100 is $12.35 plus 30 cents, $12.65 final value fee. Then the question is whether or not you have a shipping fee. If you're not paying any shipping, all right, if I leave this blank, let's say there's no shipping charge for me, all right, well then this would be my net payment, because what the net payment is actually what you charge the buyer, which is the sale price plus the buyer shipping charge. If you put that together, which is $95, and then you subtract the fee that they're taking out immediately, as I said before, they're now taking it out immediately, then you'd be left with $82.35. All right. However, if there's also some kind of shipping fee that's being taken out, let's say you're paying $10 for shipping, well then your net payment will be $10 lower, $72.35. And then the profit, of course, is simply taking the net payment that you're receiving and subtracting the original cost of the item, which is $22.35, the profit. And ROI, this is called return on investment, and this is simply what percentage of your original cost did you get back in profit. So your profit is 44.7% of what you invested in the item, your original cost. And that's what this is, right? Just to get an idea of what kind of return you're getting on your investments. Now, one thing I just want to mention again, this buyer payment with tax. Again, this is the buyer's payment, whole payment including tax. So when eBay should show you that on each order, and just take that number and put it here, because it doesn't matter that the sale price is $90 and that the buyer shipping charge is $95 dollars. It's the buyer payment with tax that they want. So before, I need to go back to how things were before and how they are with managed payments. Before managed payments, the final value fee was being charged to $90 plus $5. Now, it would have been you would have been paying a fee on the $95. That would have been your final value fee based on the $95 that you charged the buyer. And now the PayPal, they were charging you for the tax. That was a change that they made, right, a few months ago or so. I can't remember how long ago it was, but they started charging the PayPal fee on this amount, including the tax, right? But the final value fee was still only based on these two, right? The sale price and the shipping charge. But now, with this new managed payments, they're charging you the final value fee percentage on this, the buyer's payment with tax. So I just wanted to really make sure I explain that distinction, that difference with the managed payments. All right, you're paying, again, final value fee on this plus the 30 cents. So if you want a copy of this spreadsheet, find the link in it. Please, if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, let me know. Managed payments is a new thing for me. It's new for, I would imagine it's new for everyone. And so there might be something here that could be adjusted to make this a little better, something missing or something that needs to be added. Just let me know. My contact email information will be right here on the Contact Me tab once you get your copy of the spreadsheet. And look forward to hearing from you or seeing you in another video.